Alright, well, just giving you an idea that I have undid a Dell, I think it's a 1740. Let's give you a little zoom out. I had to disengage the battery. I'll try not to be too shaky on the camera here, but the battery, as you can see right here, it slips into the pins, as you can see right there. So here's the battery. In order to pull the battery, there's a sticker that's right over here, and you pull this back, just going back and forth very slowly on the battery clip in order for it to come out. Another thing that I found, and this is the clip that came from the bezel. Anyway, that right there is the connector for the video screen. And in order to get the video screen, let me show it over here. If we kind of zoom in really well, you'll see right on the top here, as you can see I'll try to zoom in even more. You can see that there is a clip, or kind of a safety clip right here, which I'm going back and forth. That has to flip up in order to pull this out. So this clips right into place for this. So that little bar that I was handling, that actually goes right there. So first you slip it in, so don't pull up, slip it in, and then you'll be able to deal with that. Now most of these hinges, let's take a look at the hinge here, and I apologize that this is, let's go into some light here. Yes, it is Grinch time, since this is right after Christmas. So I just scratched. So what happens out of this is that these are the brackets, the hinges. This is a hinge that we already have that's connected. I'm going to replace both hinges. In this case, I just need to take the, this is how they normally connect, with the screws right there. Sorry, I'm a loss of words, need more coffee. And of course, my wonderful cat is going to be in the way. Tippy, come on. So anyway, yeah, exactly. So what happens here is that these hinges are just, it's nobody's fault other than the manufacturers. But as you can see right here, if you use these hinges way too much, they just break off. And what I plan on doing is you scratch an uneven surface right here. Back, Tippy. Come on. And we're going to fit it right down in here after I can get the get all this cleaned out. Sorry. Got a little protector sticker right there. But anyway, I'm going to fit this right back down in here so you can see where the where it is, and then I'm going to super glue it. Now, I think that you've probably seen some of the super glues. Let me go ahead and grab what I bought, and you can decide whether or not what you want to use. Tippy, you're in my way for the work. Say hello to everyone. Yep. All right. Down, boy. So anyway, back to this. The Q bond is what I'm going to go with. That is because on this, we actually have a powder that we can fill in with the cracks. So I just took a screwdriver down in here and basically scratched the bezel. I know that if you replace the lid off of these things, I think that you're looking at probably about $60 for these lids. But rather than paying for new hinges and a lid, I think you're looking at probably a total of over $100 if you have all the equipment, like the pry bars and everything like that. If not, then you're looking at, for repairs, probably about 150, 170, which is kind of insane. Seeing that these computers, I know that we found one for a good deal on sale around $700 or $600. Almost want to replace it, but this still has a lot of life left in it. We're going to try and do some super glue. So get back to you.